Okay, we've got one more lick to go here, and it's a little bit scary. It's a group of 7 and a group of 6, all crammed in together, and it sounds like this. I'm just going to do it on one string. Okay, one more time. So what it does, it hammers up from the 8 to the 10. The tapping finger takes care of the 12, and it goes back down again. Then up with the second, up with the pinky. Tap again, pull off, down, down, hammer, and finish off there. So you're adding one extra scale note from the Dorian, D Dorian, above. Right after the pinky goes on, move. Move. Okay, I'm making a couple of mistakes there because I've got the guitar down, so I'm not getting the regular amount of distortion that I would. But I'm just going to take the tempo up a little bit so you can hear it. Oops. Okay, so let's try it along with the track. Okay, and that concludes track number 4.